What I love about being an Annie Sloan Stockist is the journey with the color. There's not a day that I don't learn something new, and I paint every day of the week. And I can always find something new and creative to keep my creative juices going. And my pleasure is coaching other people on how to get their creative juices going as well.
I love Annie Sloan chalk paint because it allows me to be creative and do what I want to do. I've been a stockist since late 2019, and I love being a stockist because of the brand itself. So the quality of the product, the quality of the team, the quality of the stockists around the country.
I love being a stockist for Annie Sloan because of her philosophy of how she started the business in the first place. She works hand in hand with the stockists so that we are there to work hand in hand with every customer.